That's loud, huh, Sophie? That's serious hail. Whoa! Whoa, look at that hail, Sophie. Whoa, watch out, Sophie, watch out. Ah! Whoa, look at that, Sophie. That's hail. It's not yucky, it's beautiful. Oh, thunder and lightning, here it comes. Whoa. Is that cool? Don't eat the hail. Oh well. Your first hail, was that good? Daddy will try one too. Tastes like snow. Okay, let's get a towel and clean this up. Bye-bye.